In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to run through the timesheets feature. So when staff add labour to jobs at the end of the week or any time, whoever's looking after the hours of staff and the like, providing they have the permission, given their job role in eBoss, they can see this timesheets table. So we can see the days of the week here, we can see the hours of each staff member, keeping in mind that the staff member in your business will have proper names. I've just given them supervisor, staff and the like. Simple data table there. Let's click on the supervisor and we'll have a look what the individual page looks like. We've got the location, we've got a hyperlink of the job number. We can go into that job and have a look if we like. We can scroll across the bottom here to see the data on the end. Again, fairly simple data table and should make life very easy when you're collating who's done what hours and whether anyone's owed any overtime. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.